Question number 16. Miss Peterson's oopsie. Miss Peterson has a math class of 15 students. The weighted mean for the course is calculated using the marks from 4 tests and a final exam. The box and whisker plot represents the final exam grade out of 40 for all 15 students in the class shown below. Because Mrs. Peterson drinks, she misplaced Maria's and Patrick's exams. She remembered that Maria received a lower final grade than Patrick. Below are the grades for the remaining 13 students. 2, 13, 16, 20, 21, 25, 28, 29, 29, 30, 34, 37, 40. Maria and Patrick know that they can figure out their grades out of 40 by using the box and whisker plot and the 15 grades of their classmates. We know the median is going to be 25, 26, 27, 28, 28. And the quartile 1 is going to be 18. And quartile 3 is going to be 31. We do have a 28, right? 28. We have a median. But notice we do not have this mark. We don't have the quartile 1. We don't have 18. Notice there's no 18. There's no quartile 3, 31. There's no 31. Like sometimes when you're figuring out the median or the quartiles, sometimes they are not values inside your data. You could be taking the average of 2 to get it. So let's make sure that we've taken that into account. We know that we have 15 grades, right? To find the median, the middle value, it's an odd number, so you add 1, divide by 2. So if you hold up your hand, the middle finger, that would be the median finger, right? So that's the third finger. How do you get the third from the 5? Well, you add 1 to the 5, that gives you the 6th. Divide by 2, that's the third. 15 grades, add 1, that's going to give us 16 divided by 2 is 8. The 8th person is going to be the median, which is 28. This is the 8th person, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, but it looks like my 7th. So I'm thinking, unless 2 people got 28, maybe one of the missing values is in here. For quartile number 1, the 8th person got 28, and 28 is there. So this is a value. So it is a value within our data. Okay, so we're not going to include the 28 in the quartile 1. How many are left? Remove the 28. We had 15 students. Take away 1 is 14. Divide that by 2 is 7. So we're going to have 7 in the first group and 7 in the last group. We're taking the middle value of 7 grades. 7, once again, is odd. Add 1, 8. Divide by 2. And that's going to give us a 4th. We're going to have the 4th after the 0th person and the 4th after the 15th person. After the 0th person, the 4th is the 4th, right? So 0 plus 4 is 4. We're taking the 4th person. They are going to have a value of 18 that we can read right here. They got 18. We can read it right off our box and whisker plot. Notice we don't have an 18. So this is going to be our 18th person. And if Maria got the lowest value, Maria got 18. The quartile 3, we're looking for the 4th grade after the 8. 8 plus 4 is 12, so we're looking at the 12th person. And the 12th person got 31, which is right here. Let's just check. So 1, 2, 3, 18, that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The 12th is 31, look at that. So all right, 31 goes here, and I'm going to put a little 18 right there. 31 must be Patrick, and the 18 must be Maria. So Maria got 18, and the final exam grade was out of 40, so she got 18 out of 40, which is 0.45, which is 45%. Patrick got 31 out of 40, which is 0.775, which is 77.5%. Who obtained the highest weighted mean? So let's go and calculate our weighted mean. So I'm going to take the 45 and the 77.5%, put them into our table, and then weighted mean. Maria is going to get 5% of 80, plus 10% of 90, plus 20% of the 60, and 25% of 60, plus 40% of 45 to get the weighted mean. For Maria, I'm going to do 5%, which is 0.05 times 80, plus 10%, which is 0.1 times 90, plus 20%, which is 0.2 times 60, plus 25%, which is 0.25 times 60, plus 40% of the 45, which is 0.04 times 45. And that gives us 58%. Maria got 58. And if you wanted to, you could turn these into decimals as well. So we would have got as a result 0.58 if you had done that. Maria got 58%. Patrick got 5% of 60%, which is 0.05 times 60, 10% of 80%, which is 0.1 times 80, 20% of 70, which is 0.2 times 70, 25% of 48, which is 0.25 times 48, and 40% of 77.5, which is 0.4 times 77.5, gives us 68%. So who obtained the highest weighted mean? Patrick obtained the highest weighted mean. And that's it for question number 16. Have a good day.